Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So just a quick little video for you today. We're going to go over some more leaks of some upcoming GoPro products this fall. And this is a new GoPro Mini. Last week there was some leaks from winfuture.de. They shared some photos of the upcoming Hero 11 Black. And today they've shared some photos, some leaked photos of a new GoPro, a brand new GoPro called the GoPro Mini. All credit goes to winfuture.de. A great site. Definitely go and check them out. A very useful resource. But let's go ahead here and we'll take a look at it. So you can see it's now called the 11 Black Mini. And basically it's a miniaturized GoPro. There's no front screen and there's no back screen. And we'll take a look at some more images here in a minute. We do have a button on the front here. Let's just bring that up. You can see it has an eye there, but it also has a little Bluetooth symbol. So it could be that this new mini GoPro could connect to other accessories that will be launched alongside. But all that information is still pretty sketchy right now. There's not really a lot of information about it. But just the fact that they have a Bluetooth linking button on it is kind of interesting. Now that might have something to do with connecting just to the GoPro app, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. As mentioned, these are slated to be released approximately around the 15th. So we should be getting some kind of teasers from GoPro any day now. Now from these images here, you can see we have the fold up finger mounts at the bottom there. And on this picture here, you can see they're out. But what is really interesting, you can see here that this is the back of the GoPro. That's one thing you're going to notice. There's no screens on this GoPro at all. But on the back, there's another set of fold out fingers. So those are the back fingers. And then there are the bottom ones there. So really interesting. And as you can see here, we have a little heat symbol. So that looks like it's one great big heat sink on the back, which is going to be really handy for people who are having overheating problems. This GoPro should solve those issues. If you're somebody who doesn't care about screens, you just want a camera that's going to capture and not overheat, especially at higher frame rates, something like this is going to be a great choice. Now, I'm not too sure about having no screens because, if you go back and take a look at the original session, that was kind of one complaint that people had, is that it was really hard to change settings. We had that one little screen on the session, but, it wasn't very intuitive. Of course, you can always connect it to your phone in the app and change settings that way. And that may be the only way to change settings on this GoPro. But I guess, again, we'll find out soon enough. If we take a look at this image here, you can see we have a door at the side that opens up. And most likely, this is going to have a built-in battery. It's still kind of too early to tell. But it is a fairly small opening. So it kind of looks like there's enough room in there for a USB-C port and a memory card slot. So chances are it will have a built-in battery. But again, who knows? Maybe they've got a smaller, slimmer battery that will slide in at the top there. But again, we'll find out soon enough. Here again, if we take a look at this image, we can see that side door there. Looks like it'll have a removable lens, so if it gets damaged, you can replace it. And of course, you'll be able to put on things like ND filters. Now, what I am kind of curious about, we did get the GoPro Bones released earlier this spring. So I wonder if this is going to be kind of like the official version of it. That GoPro Bones was very kind of specific to FPV flyers, but a system like this could be used for people who fly FPV, but it can also be used by everyday people who just want a small, durable action camera. Now with the GoPro Bones, it didn't have a built-in battery. It had a port you had to plug in to get power from a LiPo or whatever. So yeah, some very interesting developments. I'm not quite sure how this will be received, but I know a lot of people really missed the GoPro session. They liked it. So something like this might be very popular. Well, folks, that's basically it for this video. What are your thoughts on this new GoPro Mini? Is this something you would be interested in? Would you prefer to have a small touchscreen on the back? Let me know down in the comments below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.